Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add multiple accounts in your TikTok. If you've opened multiple accounts on TikTok and you would like to add it, keep watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go and tap open your TikTok application. Now, from the home screen of TikTok, go and tap on the Me button in the bottom right corner, which will open up your profile. Go to the three dots at the upper right from your profile page, scroll all the way down, and under Login you'll be able to see Switch Account tab. Tap it on, and from the expanded menu tap on Add Account. Now, if you'd like to sign up for a new account and add it on your TikTok, go ahead and sign up by using your phone or email or any other social networking sites. If you want to add an existing account, tap Login and continue login in with the options. Let me tap on the email and username option at the top. Now, you can either enter your phone number or your email or your username option. Let me tap on the email or username option and type in my email or username. Now move on to the next field and type in your password, just like you are logging into your account. Now tap on Login, go through a little verification puzzle thing. And with this, you will be logged into your other account that you just added on TikTok. If you'd like to switch between the two, all you need to do is visit your profile, tap on the three dots at the upper right and scroll all the way down, tap on Switch Account and select the account that you want to switch back to. That is how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.